As today's construction market becomes more and more competitive, the good builders, the profitable builders, always seem to find a way to use technology and efficiency to better serve their clients while doing justice to the bottom line. Callbacks are a contractor's biggest profit killer.
Callback to me is the kiss of death. I want to be done with the job. I want to walk away. I want to shake the client's hand and not have to come back to repair something. Once they move in, new furniture, new carpet, if I have to come back in and repair a ding in the drywall, a crack in the drywall, it means not only repairing that, but painting the wall again.
Callbacks are not only costly, but repeatedly sending guys back into a home after the client has moved in is a huge inconvenience to the client and ultimately hurts the builder's reputation. Wouldn't it be great if you could eliminate almost 100% of your drywall callbacks? What if you could eliminate drywall corners that crack, dents, deformation, and rust? What if your buildings had corners that were virtually indestructible? Introducing NO-COAT, the world's only structural laminate drywall corner system. It's a combination of technology and innovation that goes straight to your bottom line.
These warranty calls are costly, they're a failure. So we found out about the NO-COAT system, and we get no callbacks on our corners anymore. And on the drywall system, corners are where the callbacks come from.
The NO-COAT structural laminate drywall corner system actually becomes a part of the wall. This technological breakthrough in drywall corner finishing is comprised of three very important elements, and together they make up a structural laminate drywall corner. We call it the SLAM system. The backbone of the NO-COAT SLAM system is a tapered copolymer core with built-in hinge. If you look at a traditional corner bead, you'll see it's almost all mud. And because you have to use so much mud to actually form the corner, it is always going to be prone to chipping, cracking, rusting, and denting. Now, look at the NO-COAT corner. We've taken the bead and the shape the mud creates and formed it into a single structural product, which means that mud is only used to install it and feather the edge. Once we perfected the design, we saw an entire range of benefits that came with using this new corner. For example, this core can be boxed, which, as you can see, drastically saves labor. This tapered copolymer core is also engineered to eliminate 30 to 50% of the mud used to finish corners, which also reduces labor. The engineering on the tapered copolymer core also allows incredible impact resistance. The second part to the NO-COAT system is the joint tape bonding surface. Why joint tape? Well, it's the part of the SLAM system that allows 100% bonding to the drywall itself. In fact, the NO-COAT corner literally becomes part of the wall. The third and final integral part is the formulated surface paper. The flap on the surface paper locks the corner down and eliminates the edge crack. So think about it. An impact-resistant copolymer core, 100% bonding with the joint tape, and the surface paper locking down the edge. This corner isn't going anywhere. The NO-COAT corner is able to withstand shrinking green lumber, settling, and virtually anything you throw at it, including a 6.8 Richter scale earthquake in Hawaii.
We've been through this really tough earthquake, which has shown me a lot of what this product does. I've gotten phone calls from people that say we came through this unscathed, no problems at all, and the vast majority of those people calling me back were houses that I used the NO-COAT.
Before we discovered NO-COAT, our list of disclaimers included drywall corners. We actually assured our clients that they would have cracks at their drywall corners and at their transitions. Now it's on our list of features that we guarantee will not crack, and we're proud of that.
NO-COAT corners can handle any punishment you can dish out. Today's profitable builders demand the NO-COAT SLAM system. Ask for it in the bid. spec it in the drywall contract, and say, I want NO-COAT.
When in my bid package, in my spec sheet, NO-COAT is the spec and the requirement. So that's, if they're not able to provide that, then we'll move on to the next contractor.
What we've found since we've introduced the NO-COAT system to these drywallers and to our own technicians when we do the drywall in-house, we've found that the system goes more smoothly, it's more efficient, it's actually a time saver, and we end up with a cleaner job.
Well, I would recommend using NO-COAT Corners because it works. It's a win-win across the board.
NO-COAT structural laminate drywall corner systems. The highest quality and strongest corners available.